Good day, everyone. Learn how to convert your images to PDF. So you have downloaded or saved your images somewhere and you want to print it. You want to save it as PDF, you can do that, especially on Windows 11. I'll tell you the best way. So these are the images which I want to print. What you can do is you can press Control key on a keyboard and select the images which you want to convert into PDF. So I have these four images which I have selected it by pressing Control and by doing the left click. All right. You can also do a left click and drag it like this to select. All right. And now we need to do a right click on that anywhere in the selected area. And then we need to go to this show more options. And then we will click on print. So we are actually not printing it, we are going to save it. So here we can select the paper size, we can go for the A4, which is the standard one, and you will find like this. These are the images. And here we have selected print to PDF, and we can select fit picture to frame. Once you are satisfied, you can select the size and everything. We need to click on print, and then we can select the destination where exactly we want to save it. So I want to save it to the desktop, and here I'll mention the name. I'll mention picture PDF, image PDF, and I'll click on save. And you can see it says printing page 1 to 4. It is actually not printing, it is actually saving to PDF. And very soon we will have the PDF in front of us. So it's almost done. I'll close this window, and here we go. We have this picture PDF, and I'll just do a double click on that. And here we go. We have the images, and that is actually in PDF. So this is how you can convert images to PDF. And if you find this tutorial helpful and short, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.